Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious watermelon juice. First, let's gather our essentials. You will need a ripe, firm watermelon, ideally weighing between 10 and 15 pounds. Also, have a sharp knife, a large spoon, a reliable blender, and a fine mesh sieve ready. For an extra touch, consider fresh lime juice, a few mint leaves, or a hint of your favorite sweetener. These simple items are all you need to begin this refreshing journey. Now let's prepare our star ingredient. Begin by washing the entire watermelon thoroughly under cool running water to ensure cleanliness. Next, carefully cut the watermelon in half, then proceed to slice it into smaller, more manageable wedges. This makes handling much easier. Finally, use your knife to remove the green rind and a spoon to scoop out any visible black seeds from the vibrant red flesh. This step ensures a smooth, seedless juice. With your watermelon prepped, it is time to blend. Transfer the chunks into your blender, making sure not to overfill. Aim for about 2/3 full. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for approximately 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture is completely smooth and liquid. For a perfectly pulp-free juice, pour the blended liquid through a fine mesh sieve directly into a large pitcher, pressing gently to extract all the delicious juice. Your fresh watermelon juice is almost ready to enjoy. For the best taste, chill the juice in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This ensures it is wonderfully refreshing. When serving, pour it over ice and consider garnishing with a fresh mint sprig or a thin lime wedge for an extra burst of flavor and visual appeal. Any leftover juice can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.